Ever wondered how Australian farmers produce millions of tons of mangoes each year? Get ready to dive inside Australian farming and uncover the secrets behind this juicy success. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of Australian mango farming. From planting to harvesting, you'll learn how farmers in Australia turn their hard work into millions of tons of delicious mangoes. In Australia, several mango varieties are grown, each with its own unique taste and characteristics. One of the most popular varieties is the Kensington Pride. Known for its rich, fruity flavor and vibrant color, it's often the mango people think of when they imagine Australian mangoes. Another well-loved variety is the Calypso. This mango is known for its sweet and tangy taste, and its smaller, oval shape makes it easy to handle. It's also known for its deep red skin when ripe. The R2E2 is another favorite. This variety is larger and has a slightly firmer texture compared to the Kensington Pride and Calypso. Its juicy, sweet flavor makes it a hit in many households. Each of these varieties thrives in the warm Australian climate, and farmers select the best ones to suit their growing conditions. This careful choice helps ensure that the mangoes produced are not only delicious, but also have a consistent quality that people love. Mangoes need the right conditions to grow well, and Australia's climate is perfect for them. Mango trees thrive in warm temperatures, which is why you'll find many orchards in northern parts of Australia, like Queensland and the Northern Territory. They need plenty of sunshine. Mangoes require a lot of sunlight to grow and produce fruit. Australia's bright sunny days help the trees get the energy they need. Rain is also important, but in the right amount. Mango trees need some rainfall, but too much can be a problem. Farmers rely on the natural rain patterns and sometimes use irrigation systems to ensure the trees get just the right amount of water. The soil where mangoes are planted must be well drained. Mango trees don't like sitting in wet soil, so farmers make sure the soil is suitable for good root development. Overall, the combination of warm weather, ample sunlight, balanced rainfall, and well-drained soil creates the ideal environment for mangoes to grow and produce high-quality fruit. Planting mango trees starts with choosing the right location and preparing the soil. Farmers select well-drained soil to ensure the roots can grow properly. They dig holes and add compost to enrich the soil with essential nutrients. Once the soil is ready, mango saplings are planted. Farmers space them apart to give each tree enough room to grow. Proper spacing helps in getting good airflow and sunlight to all the trees. After planting, the young mango trees need regular care. Farmers water them frequently, especially during dry periods, to help them establish strong roots. They also apply fertilizers to provide the trees with necessary nutrients, which supports healthy growth and fruit production. Pruning is another important step. Farmers trim the trees to remove dead or diseased branches and to shape them for better fruit production. Proper pruning helps the tree focus its energy on producing high-quality mangoes. Overall, planting and nurturing mango trees require careful attention to detail and ongoing care to ensure a successful mango harvest. The timing of planting mango trees is crucial for their growth and productivity. In Australia, the best time to plant mango trees is during the warmer months, typically from spring to early summer. This period, usually from September to December, provides the trees with the optimal conditions they need to establish themselves. Planting in spring or early summer ensures that the young trees benefit from the increasing warmth and longer daylight hours. These conditions help the trees to grow stronger and develop a robust root system before the cooler months arrive. In regions with milder climates, farmers may plant mango trees during the start of the rainy season. The rain helps to keep the soil moist, which is beneficial for the young trees. However, in areas where the rainy season is unpredictable, irrigation systems are used to provide the necessary water. Proper timing for planting helps mango trees to thrive and set the stage for healthy growth and a successful mango harvest in the future. Mango trees typically bloom once a year, and the timing of blooming can vary depending on the region and climate. In Australia, mango trees usually start to bloom in late winter to early spring, around August to October. During this blooming period, the mango trees produce clusters of small, fragrant flowers. These flowers are crucial for the fruit development process. The exact timing of the bloom can be influenced by various factors, including temperature, water availability, and overall tree health. In regions with warmer climates, blooming may start earlier in the year. Conversely, in areas with cooler temperatures, it might occur slightly later. Farmers closely monitor their trees during this time to ensure that they are getting the right conditions for successful flowering. Successful blooming is essential for mango production, as it leads to the formation of fruit. Proper care during this period helps maximize the yield and quality of the mangoes harvested later in the season. Mango trees go through a flowering stage that is crucial for fruit production. During this time, the trees produce small, fragrant flowers. These flowers are essential for developing mangoes. Pollination is the process where pollen from the male parts of the flower reaches the female parts. In mango trees, this is often done by bees and other insects. They visit the flowers to collect nectar and, in the process, transfer pollen from one flower to another. For good fruit development, it's important that pollination occurs effectively. Farmers may encourage bees and other pollinators to visit their orchards by planting flowers that attract them. Once pollination is successful, the flowers start to develop into small fruit. This marks the beginning of the mango growing process, where careful attention is given to ensure the fruit develops properly. Harvesting mangoes is a delicate process that requires careful timing. Farmers monitor the mangoes closely to determine the right moment to pick them. Mangoes are usually harvested when they are mature, but still firm. Farmers often pick mangoes by hand to avoid damaging the fruit. They use special tools or simply their hands to gently twist the mangoes off the tree, and check for quality. They are then cleaned and packed for transport. Some mangoes are sent to local markets, while others may be exported to different parts of the world. Proper harvesting techniques ensure that the mangoes reach consumers in the best possible condition, ready to be enjoyed for their sweet and juicy taste. Australian mango farmers face several challenges in their work. One major challenge is dealing with pests and diseases that can affect mango trees. Farmers use various methods, such as natural predators and organic treatments, to manage these issues. Weather can also be unpredictable, with extreme conditions like droughts or heavy rains impacting mango production. Farmers use irrigation systems and other techniques to manage water supply and protect their crops. Another challenge is the need for constant monitoring and maintenance of the trees. Farmers must regularly check the health of their trees and respond to any problems quickly to avoid losing fruit. Despite these challenges, Australian mango farmers are skilled at managing their orchards and using innovative practices to ensure a successful harvest. Once mangoes have been harvested, they go through several important steps to ensure they reach consumers in the best possible condition. These steps are ripening, cleaning, and sorting. After harvesting, mangoes are often still firm and need to ripen. Farmers and packers use ripening rooms with controlled temperature and humidity to help the mangoes ripen evenly. This process usually takes a few days. The ripening process is closely monitored to achieve the right balance between firmness and sweetness. Once the mangoes are ripe, they are cleaned to remove any dirt, residue, or contaminants. This is typically done with water and sometimes a mild detergent. Proper cleaning ensures that the mangoes are fresh and ready for consumption. After cleaning, mangoes are sorted based on size, color, and quality. This sorting process helps in categorizing the mangoes for different markets. High-quality mangoes are selected for premium markets, while others might be used for processing or local markets. These steps ensure that the mangoes are not only visually appealing, but also safe and delicious for consumers. Proper handling from ripening to sorting helps maintain the high standards that consumers expect from Australian mangoes. After sorting, mangoes are either sent for packaging or used in juice production, depending on their quality and intended market. Mangoes destined for fresh consumption are carefully packaged to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. They are placed in boxes or crates that provide protection during transport. Packaging materials are chosen to prevent bruising and maintain freshness. Each box is labeled with information about the mango variety and origin. Proper packaging helps in preserving the quality and extending the shelf life of the mangoes as they make their way to supermarkets or stores. Mangoes that are not suitable for fresh sale, either due to size, shape, or other factors, are often used in juice production. These mangoes are processed in specialized facilities where they are washed, peeled, and pureed. The mango puree is then used to make mango juice, nectars, or other mango-based products. The juice production process involves filtering and pasteurizing to ensure the final product is safe and has a long shelf life. Both packaging and juice production are essential steps in maximizing the use of mangoes and meeting consumer demands. They ensure that every mango, whether fresh or processed, reaches the market in a form that is both enjoyable and high quality. In the factory, mangoes that are destined for processing are peeled and cut to prepare them for various products. Mangoes are first peeled to remove their skin. This is typically done using automated peeling machines that carefully strip away the skin while minimizing waste. In some cases, manual peeling is used for smaller batches or delicate varieties. After peeling, mangoes are cut into desired shapes and sizes. This can include slicing them into strips, chunks, or cubes, depending on the intended product. Automated cutting machines are used for efficiency and consistency. The mango pieces are then inspected to ensure they meet quality standards. Once peeled and cut, the mango pieces are ready for further processing. They might be used in products like mango puree, juice, or frozen mango. The factory process is aimed to maintain the flavor and quality of the mangoes while preparing them for various uses. Peeling and cutting are crucial steps in transforming fresh mangoes into products that are convenient for consumers and used in a variety of culinary applications. After packaging, many Australian mangoes are exported to international markets. This process involves several key steps to ensure that the mangoes reach their destination in excellent condition. Mangoes selected for export are carefully inspected to meet the quality standards required by different countries. They are often treated to comply with international regulations, which may include treatments to prevent pests and diseases. Mangoes are packed in export-grade cartons that are designed to withstand long journeys. These cartons are usually reinforced and may include ventilation to keep the fruit fresh. The packaging is marked with labels that include important information for customs and import authorities. The mangoes are then transported to port facilities where they are loaded onto ships or planes. The logistics of exporting involve coordinating with shipping companies and ensuring that the mangoes are kept at the right temperature throughout the journey to maintain their freshness. During the export process, mangoes must go through customs inspections to meet the import regulations of the destination country. This involves providing documentation such as certificates of origin and compliance with phytosanitary standards. Exporting Australian mangoes helps meet global demand and introduces people around the world to the high quality and delicious taste of these fruits. Proper handling and adherence to international standards are crucial for a successful export process. To wrap up, we've explored the fascinating world of Australian mango farming. We covered the different mango varieties, the ideal growing conditions, the steps for planting and nurturing mango trees, the importance of flowering and pollination, the careful techniques used for harvesting, and the challenges farmers face. Understanding these aspects gives us a greater appreciation for the effort that goes into producing the delicious mangoes we enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into farming and agriculture. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have about mango farming. Thank you for watching. Every mango you enjoy is the result of the hard work and dedication of Australian farmers. See you in the next video, and remember to savor every bite.